as we have completed the chapter Spicy Riddles on Home Abroad, so I have completed the chapters, question answers, activity book question answers. You kindly write it down from the board so that it will be easy for you. And secondly, I have written all answers in a very short form because only the MCQ pattern questions will come, and the spicy riddle today only, as the answers are just one line answers. So in an offline video I will give it that. You will just copy it down after the class, and then we will do the last chapter. Okay, so start to do the question answers. I am repeating here, and then you will write all the answers. Okay. First one is fill in the blanks with the correct word. First one is Chittapan had got a job in dash 5 years ago. Write down. It should be Abu Dhabi. Okay, first answer is Abu Dhabi. Second is after the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. So the B answer, fill in the blank. C, there is luggage. C, mountains made up of sands are called sand dunes. Okay, so C, the C is sand dunes. D, the countries around Abu Dhabi are located in a desert area. Now E is dash is too happy to see all after such a long time. So it is Kunjamma. And the F is date is the most common fruit that can grow in the desert. G, the children enjoyed playing with the globe. H, Malu decided that she would make a dash project report about Abu Dhabi. Okay, so these all are the answer. A is Abu Dhabi, B luggage, C sand dunes, I have written here. D desert, E Kanjoma, F date, G globe, and H is project report. Clear to you? For far. Okay, now write true and false statement. First one is Kanjuma is Malu's auntie. So it is a false statement. No, it is a true statement. Sorry, it is a true statement. A is a true statement. Now B is Chittapan and her family has been living in Abu Dhabi for last 10 years. So it is a false statement because they have lived there only 5 years. Now C, Abu Dhabi is located in a desert area. It is a true statement. D, date is most common fruit of desert. It is also a true statement. Now F, the weather is very hot in Abu Dhabi. It is also a true statement. G, people wear only silk clothes in Abu Dhabi. It's a false statement. Maybe there is too much hot, so people cannot wear only the silk clothes. They have to wear the cotton clothes. Now Shanta decided that she would make a project report about Kerala. So it is a false statement. Who has made the who has decided to take to make a project on this? It was Malu. She decided to make a project or give a project on Abu Dhabi, not about the Kerala. Now answer the following questions. First one is what caused a lot of activities at Malu's house? So it is A. Answer the following answer. A. A lot of activities were going at Malu's house because her uncle along with his family coming back from Abu Dhabi. Again answer A, I am repeating, a lot of activities we are going at Malu's house because her uncle along with his family coming back from Abu Dhabi. So there was a lot of activities. Now question B is there. Why was Shanta not tired? Shanta was not tired because it took only 2 hours of her journey. So she was not tired because she was completed her journey within 2 hours. Okay. Now see, list the names of interesting things Shanta saw from the plane. So the answer C, interesting things were clouds and several colors of sand. Now question D, what do you understand by sand dunes? So answer D, mountains made up of sand are called sand dunes. Question E, why were Shanta and Shashi surprised? See the answer E, they were surprised to see greenery of Kerala. Okay. Now question F, which were the place that Malu saw on the globe? So Kerala, Chennai, Kochi, Abu Dhabi and some other different places on the globe they have seen. So I have written here Kerala, Chennai, Kochi, Abu Dhabi, etc. And question G is there. What is reason behind people covering heads in Abu Dhabi? So the answer is there. People cover their heads to protect themselves from strong heat of sun. And H is who decided to make a project report? It was Malu. Okay. So Malu decided to make a project report on Abu Dhabi. So write the answers from the board. All the answers are given. If any kind of problem is there regarding any question, then you can ask me. Okay. Otherwise, write the answers. Again, I am repeating the answers. Answer A, a lot of activities were going at Malu's house because her uncle along with his family coming back from Abu Dhabi. And the answer B, Shanta was not tired because it took only 2 hours of her journey. Answer C, interesting things were clouds and several colors of sand. Answer D, mountains made up of sand are called sand dunes. Answer E, they were surprised to see greenery of Kerala. Answer F, Kerala, Chennai, Kochi, Abu Dhabi, etc. Answer G, people covered their heads to protect themselves from strong heat of sun. Answer H is Malu. Okay. Now, do you have any problem? Please mute your microphone so it make less noise and everybody can write the answer. Okay? Only for your this mischief activities sometimes the call being cut. So you just write down all the answers. Do you have any problem? You can ask me. Regarding your problem, you can ask me. Okay? Regarding any problem, you can ask me. And the spicy riddles answers, only today I will give it in your video. I will release the video. So, no need of seeing me, Shreya. You just see the board and write all the answers. Okay? I have actually given the space just to you so that you can see the board. If I stand in the front, then you will not able to see me. Okay? You will not able to see the board. Okay? Please repeat the D and H, fill in the blanks. Okay. D is desert. Just below the sand dunes I have written. Actually, I have forget to write the D. here, that's why I have written here. So C is sand dunes, D is desert, E is Kujamma, F is date, G is globe, H is project report. Okay, I'm just making it correct. As the sequence become little bit, C is sand dunes. Okay, and now D will be desert. Okay, now I think there will be no problem. A is Abu Dhabi, B luggage, C sand dunes, D desert, E Kunjamba, F date, G globe, H project report. Clear? Yes. You can't see the board, but everybody is seeing the board, dear. Now it is completed. Shrija, D and H is completed. Everybody completed? Yes, thank you. Now please give your attendance. And if you have any kind of problem, you can ask me regarding any question so that I can repeat and you come to know the answers. Regarding any question, if you want to ask me so that I can repeat the answer for you. Okay. Yes, it will be uploaded. Don't worry, it will be uploaded. Okay. Yes, it will be uploaded. Okay, thank you. And please give your attendance and bye. Welcome, Shorja, for your thanks. Please give your attendance.